guys, welcome back to Ellen and Our Sisters Summer Camp. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a strawberry watermelon Italian ice. So this is a really great summer treat and I think you guys will like. So let's go ahead and get started. So to start, you're just going to need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half a tablespoon of sugar. You can use 1 tablespoon if you like, but I personally don't like mine too sweet. So you're gonna need 2/3 a cup of strawberries. If I'm using frozen ones, I think that they taste really, really good. You're gonna need 2/3 a cup of watermelon. You're gonna need 1 cup of ice. And finally, this is completely optional, but I love to add fresh mint. We have a fresh mint outside of our house, and I love, 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 love to add fresh mint. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so to start, we're just going to pour in our watermelon. And I love the taste of watermelon. I just feel like it just brings out such a beautiful, juicy taste. And it's such a pretty color. Next, we're going to add 2/3 a cup of strawberries. I'm using frozen ones, and you do not have to, but I like using frozen ones. I feel like they bring out more of a flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 2/3 a cup. I didn't get all my 2/3, so I'm gonna add a bit more. And finally, you are going to add your sugar and lemon. So I'm just using a little bit of sugar. There we go. And then finally, I am going to add my lemon juice. Remember, I want 1 teaspoon of lemon juice just to bring out that flavor. Alright, so now I'm going to blend it, and I will show you what it looks like after. Alright, so I just finished blending, and I did have to add a little bit of water. If you end up having to add some water, that is perfectly fine. And I went ahead and added my fresh mint. I don't think you can see it, but it's in there, trust me. Just I don't want to tip it too much. But I went ahead and added that. I did not blend it yet. And now for the ice. So whether you used frozen fruit or fresh fruit, you're going to want to add 1 cup of ice anyways. So I'm adding the 2/3, and then I'm going to add the rest of my ice. My ice was pre-measured out, so I didn't need to re-measure it, but I was just showing you guys. So to make a little more sense, I'm going to add a little more fresh mint, just because I love the taste of mint in Italian ice. And my sister loves it too. And yes, I'm sorry she is not here right now. She's actually hanging out with a friend. And I will see if they can do a video later. I think it'd be fun if they did. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this, and I will show you when I'm done. Right, so I just did a little bit. And as you can hear, there is still ice clumps. So you're going to want to keep blending until your spoon goes straight down without any noise, or until it's completely smooth, which mine is not ready for that yet, so I'm going to keep on blending. Alrighty, so I just finished blending it, and I had to end up taking some of the ice pieces out, and that is, trust me when I say, that is perfectly normal. Sorry that my camera just moved. Oops. Okay, so, but that is perfectly normal. Sorry, that's perfectly normal. And now you're going to put it into a bowl, or if you made a lot, you might want to go ahead and put it into a pan, and make sure that it is freezer safe. You're going to put it in there for 30 minutes, so I will be back. Alright, so it's just out of the freezer, and now you're just going to kind of skim the top. Just go ahead and kind of moisten it on up. And then you're going to put it back into the freezer for 2 hours, and then it will be beautifully done. So yeah, I'm gonna go put it back in the freezer. Alright guys, so I just finished making the Italian ice, And as you can see, it looks delicious. And I already took a bite. I am addicted. And you can use any fruit. Raspberry and cherry is definitely a great flavor. Blueberry and blackberry, grape, any flavor really. But just use that fruit and that combination. Thank you guys so much for watching. I went our sister's summer camp. And we hope that you guys have a great day. Bye, guys.
Oh, done?
How was it?
Delicious.
How was it, Shelby?
Delicious! Rating out of 1 to infinity, I'd get infinity.
Heck yeah.
Wait, does infinity mean 0?
No, infinity means amazing.
Huh.
Do you love it, Reese?